Mabuhay Pilipinas. This is the Pinoy Gazette channel. I'm Melissa Brown, bringing you today's headline news. The legal battle involving former Senator and now party list Representative Leila de Lima is far from over. Government prosecutors have once again challenged her acquittal in one of her remaining drug cases, filing a motion for reconsideration before the Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court Branch 204. The prosecution panel, headed by Provincial Prosecutor Ramoncito Benvenido Ocampo Jr., filed a 15-page motion arguing that the June 27, 2025 ruling, which affirmed de Lima's acquittal, must be reversed. Despite the retraction of key witness Rafael Ragos, a former Bureau of Corrections official, prosecutors insist that other pieces of evidence remain strong enough to establish de Lima's alleged involvement in the drug trade inside the New Bilibid prison. In their filing, the panel criticized the court for accepting Ragos' recantation hook, line and sinker, without adequately considering his earlier sworn statements, made under oath across multiple venues, including the House of Representatives, the Senate, and during court proceedings. The motion emphasized that these earlier testimonies, where Ragos claimed to have delivered Philippine peso 10 million to de Lima in 2012 to fund her senatorial bid money, he said, was sourced from illegal drug activities, were corroborated by other witnesses. The prosecutors also pointed to the Court of Appeals 8th Division, which had already nullified the earlier acquittal ruling in May 2025, citing grave abuse of discretion by the trial court. According to the CA, the lower court failed to thoroughly explain the effect of Ragos' retraction on the prosecution's evidence and overlooked the essential elements of the crime charged. Despite this directive from the appellate court, Judge Joseph Abraham Alcantara of RTC Branch 204 maintained the acquittal, stating that Ragos' retraction provided a sufficient basis to uphold de Lima's constitutional right to be presumed innocent. Prosecutors argue that the trial court ignored the CAS guidance and did not clearly compare Ragos' original testimony to his recantation, nor did it explain why the new version should be given more weight. In response to the latest legal move, Representative Leila de Lima expressed her frustration, saying, and we quote, "I don't understand what the prosecution is trying to do. Put me in triple jeopardy after nearly 7 years in unjust detention. Hindi na lang, katawatoa, ang ginagawa, nila nakakagala, nay." The legal tug-of-war continues, with critics warning of potential implications on due process and the independence of the judiciary. Meanwhile, the public watches closely as this high-profile case unfolds once again in the courts. This has been your headline report on Pinoy Gazette channel. I'm Melissa Brown. Stay informed, stay vigilant. Salamat po for watching.